Hey, this is Steve Dickerson. I'm answering the keyword, what do I do for neck pain? I'm here with my doctor,
Brendan Wright,
and he is my chiropractor. He's awesome. So he really helps my neck pain. I've been coming here for years and they don't get any better as far as I'm concerned. So anyway, I want you to watch what he does. And so you can kind of get an idea a little bit about how chiropractic works.
All right.
Let's do it.
You're getting live face down there if you will, Steve. All right.
Maybe kind of, I want to
First of all, I'm just going to check Steve's lower back and see if there's any misalignments in there that might need some attention. I usually check people's leg length, and what that's telling me is whether their pelvis and lower back is out of alignment at all, because when your hips and pelvis get misaligned, a lot of times pull one leg with it and make it appear shorter than the other. In Steve's case right now, at least, it isn't too bad. So we're just going to do a little fine tuning there. Got a table making all that racket. It's called a Thompson drop table, and it's just kind of absorbing some of the pressure that I'm using to get his adjustment done. Steve, if you will turn over and lie on your back there. I'm going to get his neck adjusted now.
This is where I really need it. It's on my neck. There you go.
This looks barbaric, but it's not bad at all. There we go. And the little audible pop you hear, a lot of people think it's the bones rubbing against each other, or bones cracking or something like that, but all it is nitrogen bubbles that build up in the joint, and you hear those pop. There we go. And that's all there is to it. You do a little traction on his neck, and it should be good to go.
So, throw all your pills away and call a chiropractor today. All right, thanks, Doc. Appreciate it.
Absolutely.
All right,
Thank you.
We'll see you. Hey, Steve Dickerson here. I just did some chiropractic care for my neck. The video I just did was how to help my neck pain, which I have rather often. So anyway, I just went and saw my chiropractor, Brendan Wright, here. And he works at the chiropractic center here in Franklin. And so anyway, I just wanted to do this video for you and show you that chiropractic care really can help your neck pain for sure, without doubt, and it's the way to go for me. I've been using chiropractic care for years. I will say it is a little costly, and so what I do to compensate for that, I have an online business I started working not too long ago, and that online business allows me to make a lot of money. I work with multiple 6-figure, 7-figure, and 8-figure earners. It allows me to be able to do what I want to do during the day, go and see who I want to see, and get my neck taken care of. A lot of chiropractic offices close at 5, so I come over here usually at 1 o'clock. But anyway, if you're interested in what I do and interested in making a whole lot of money and having a whole lot of fun, then click on the link below, and it'll take you to a little video, and you'll be able to see what I'm doing to generate the kind of money that pays for my doctor bills and a bunch of other bills that I'm sure we all have. So anyway, click on the link, and again, what you need to do for your back pain is go see your chiropractor. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.